Sanibona bafethu uvana lo so namhlanje ngithola umbiko la kuthiwa iSABC. iSABC isihlanganyele with the Hollywood Bets to broadcast all 52 games eAFCON. Yabo azobe live on all SABC platforms. Lama games lawo 52 azokwazi ukuthi asize abantu abangenayo mhlawumbe iDStv ukuthi bawabuke lama games lawo. So bazowabuka, let's say mhlawumbe bazodlala SABC 1, adlale SABC 2, adlale futhi na SABC 3 bana ne-app ebizwa ngo-SABC Plus. Yabo ungayi-downloada leyo app leyo i-free. Mufuna uwabukela lama games afcon azodlala ngoDecember nangoJanuary, ungayi-downloada le app le. Kwezinye izindaba abayikhiphile namhlanje kuthiwa uSABC will also broadcast 38 games alive ePremier League. Yabo over the coming 3 seasons ePremier League lawo ma games azobe broadcastwa uSABC. Ama games awu 38 I don't think wona wonke ama games ePremier League, but lawo ma games azobe u38. Athole futhi nama rights ok broadcaster i2026 FIFA World Cup. So lama games iwona ama games abazobe broadcaster next year nawe Premier League in the next 3 seasons. So inkinga la engibhekane nayo mina ukuthi why SABC ingawatholi ama rights from SuperSport ok broadcaster ama games akuyi-PSL. Ama games akwi-Betway Premiership asiwaboni. Yabo siyathanda ukuthi siyibuke iPremier League, yes. Siyathanda ukuthi siwabuke ama games eAFCON, yes. But why bengawathengi ama rights okusibukisa ibhola la ku-PSL? Because mukhumbula kahle ama games asiwabuka kuyi-SABC ngekhathi zakudala asiwabuka ngomgqibelo sesithola ama games awu2 kuthi ngesonto sithola igame eyodwa. Yabo manje asayithola into kanjalo. Yes, asingawathola ama game adlala midweek games, we didn't see those games. Ukuthi uyavula uSABC ngomgqibelo kudlala ibhola lamantombazane, no one watches that. Ayikabi akekho umuntu olibuka ibhola lamantombazane. Mubuka ibhola lamantombazane wangitshela ubani obeyi-player of the season last season yamantombazane. Ngeke uzungitshela. iSABC must make something regarding that, must make ama means. Yabo if they want to win lento ye-sports la in South Africa, we don't really care a lot about the Premier League. There are people who watch the Premier League, but not the majority of people. There are many people who watch PSL. PSL is the most watched league like South Africa. When you compare it to a Premier League, you will see the revenue ukuthi yipi league enzimali in South Africa. Maybe you can argue with Nigeria, because in Nigeria they don't have a league abroad than PSL. So ngempela kumele benze ama plans, kumele basinikeze iPSL. Sifuna thina ukubuya iPSL hayi indaba ye Premier League. But ke ngangitshela ama comments bafethu ndizizwa kanjani le ndaba lezi. For me I think indaba ezimnandi ukuthi bayosibukisa ama games eAFCON, indaba ezimnandi futhi bayosibukisa iFIFA World Cup. But ke I have a problem with the Premier League. We don't really like the Premier League that much. Yabo mele basinikeze iPSL. We want to see iPSL. Basikhombisa mhlawumbe ku-PSL they only show us ama big games like iSoweto Derby, like iStallies versus Pirates. Yabo they only show us those games. You want all games are produced nakhona iSABC. So they must make something.